Good morning and hi to Mr. Kalim, to Mr. Said, and everyone else in class. My name is Nur Alia Farini binti Azhiri. I am currently in semester 5 of my degree in Science of Pharmaceutical Technology. As we're taking PEC 700 subject, which is IT skill subject, we were given IT related skills tasks. So we were given several tasks to complete. The first task is to do research related to our project title, which is traditional kuih Indonesia. And we chose cekodok pisang as our traditional kuih. In this first task that we were given to us, right after we create our group, we need to name our group after traditional kuih, and we chose the name of golden banana poppers. Then an email and an Instagram account were created for the future of promotional for our for the future project, where we can post the promotional video logo and our poster at the email and Instagram account. Then the second task is an individual task where each of us need to design a logo, and each logo will be evaluated and will be chosen by the lecturer to represent our group. And then for the third task, we were asked to do poster individually to promote our traditional kuih. In the poster, it needs to have picture of traditional kuih, information related to it, and a promotional slogan to attract audience. The next task, as a group, we were asked to do a storyboard for our promotional video later. And in this storyboard, we must at least contain 12 panels. Each panel show illustration with dialogues, along with a description to explain each panels. And lastly, we were asked to do a promotional video to promote our traditional food. For most of our tasks, I've been using Canva to create design for logo, poster, and storyboard. Canva is the most used IT tools in completing the task. Apart from Canva, I also use Google Docs to compile our weekly report. And in this Google Doc, it allows us to edit the same document at the same time, as it can be shared and edited online together. And also for searching information and ideas, Google Chrome and Copilot Bing are being used to aid me in completing my tasks. And not to forget, I also use CapCut, TikTok, and Canva app to create, edit, and design a video. This application allow me to use their template for video, suggest song for my video, and have many filters for me to use to further enhance my video. As for the problem or issue that I encountered during the activity and while using the online IP tool, it will be the unstable internet connection and slow response of the gadget. Sometimes I also lack of idea to design, create, or edit the task given. However, I could resolve this by searching for ideas in Google Chrome or Copilot Bing. However, despite that, I can resolve the internet problem because that is not within my control. So for the next question, how I feel after completing the task by using these IT tools. I feel that these IT tools are very convenient for me to use, and very helpful for me. It's not only help in designing, it also help us to bring out the ideas that we cannot find in ourselves. And what I learned through the activity is that I can do more by using IT instead of just doing some normal promotional by using normal, not IT, like marketing, if you do by yourself, you can get a customer, but if you do more like posting in Instagram and then attracting audience or customer by doing a video, they can increase the sales of the products itself. That's all from me, and I will pass it to the next member.
Yeah, hi. My name is Tan Shimei. So my tasks include creating group logo, group poster, and a storyboard. Canva is the major online IT tool that I implement in the task. So one of the issues that I experienced during the activity was I struggling with some specific features of the online IT tools. So how was the problem resolved? I would try to ask for help from my friends and discuss with them. I feel that using online IT tools are easier and convenient method to design my work attractively and beneficial to me in the future. Through those activities, it definitely improved my IT skills and teamwork skills. Thank you. And next person.
Okay, so good morning to Mr. Said and Mr. Kalim. My name is Nurhana Mashtalim from BPHD. So now I'll be sharing my own experience or reflection on the weekly guided activities. So I will just answer the question following the question given in the guidelines. So first is what was our task. So our task will be on designing a logo, poster design, and a storyboard about a traditional kue, which we choose the cekodok pisang, a traditional Malay fritter, primarily the ingredients used are the mashed bananas and flour. So the online IT that I have used to complete all the logo, poster, and also the storyboard is the Canva. So that was the online IT that I have used. And what was the problem or issue that I have encountered? So first will be the limited template because I'm not using the premium canvas, so there will be like limited template that I can use. But I solved it with using the template available. And second problem that I have encountered is I was lack of idea on creating my own logo and poster because I'm not that creative. Yeah, I'm not a creative person. So how I solved this problem was by referring to other available or readily made poster or logo by others. So from there, I have the idea to create my own logo and poster. Yeah, that was the main issue that I have encountered, which is limited template and also lack of idea. And then what was the experience or what I have feel up and also what the learning process that I have during this task is that I have learned that it is very important. I mean, maybe in the future, it's very important that you have familiar with this online IT tool, not only Canva, but also other online IT tools such as the CapCut, TikTok, or social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter. So yeah, that's when you who knows, right? In the future, where you can design your own brand product or even your own community pharmacy or pharmaceutical company where you have to work under the marketing office, marketing and promotional office. So yeah, by that you have to very familiar with those online IT tools because yeah, you have to create your own your own logo and poster to promote your product or even your company. Yeah, so that was one of the learning process that I have learned through PEC 700 IT skills. Yeah, that's all from me, and I pass to the next person.
So good morning to Mr. Kalim and Mr. Said. So my name is Cici Iliana, and I'll be presenting about the weekly guided activities. Um, to answer the questions. So for number one, we did the logo, poster, and to promote our product, which is the Chokodok Pisang. And we also use the poster to share the details about the logo. And then we also did a storyboard about the Chokodok Pisang. For example, my part, I did the pictures on the storyboard. And then for the second question, I use the Canva apps for doing all the tasks given. And then for the number three, question number three is during the activities, I think I didn't encounter any problem while using the Canva apps, as long as I have the good internet connection. I only have some timing problem due to assignment, and at the same time, I have to settle my research proposal. So, but with the good timetable and time management, I managed to settle works on time. And then number five, I believe using Canva is a good choice, especially as a student, because we only need to think, plan, and search and apply. All the things for editing are inside. So before this, we don't have any application to use for editing. So like for the pictures, we have to do the hand draw. So as for the question number 6, what I've learned is teamwork is really needed in this group, because if we did the things alone, you might feel it burdens you, but with group teamwork, so all is well. And next is, with this activity, I also improve my IT skills, editing especially, and designing by using the technology that we have now. So I think that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Okay. So my name is Narfatin Atira binti Nur Azli. I'm a third year BPH student. So the self-task given to us was to design a logo and a poster, focusing on Chokodok Pisang, a traditional Malaysian snack that we chose as our group's representative kuih. The logo that I made was made to represent the team visually while showcasing the group's name, and while also the poster highlights the snack's details, ingredients, and preparation. The online IT tools that I used to complete the tasks was Canva for designing the poster, and also Samsung Pen Up combined with Canva for creating the logo. The Canva was beneficial for its layout and design tools, whereas the Samsung Pen Up provided a flexible space for me to sketch for ideas before finalizing the design in Canva. The main issue that I faced with the design process The main issue I faced was with the design process, especially in trying to make the logo and poster visually appealing and cohesive. The other challenges were limited design options in the free version of Canva, which restricted some advanced features and elements that I wanted to use initially. And there's also some technical compatibility issues between pen-up sketches and Canva, where I had some difficulty in exporting the sketch that I made, where it results in a slight quality loss so that the final result is different from my initial idea. So how I resolve this problem is by making the most out of Canva's free features, by getting creative with the tools, and also modifying available templates by Canva in order to fulfill my ideas and sketches in Pen Up. As for the compatibility issues, I managed to adjust the resolution and also the export format of my pen-up sketches to ensure that they retain the exact quality when transferred to Canva. After completing all the tasks, I feel more confident using both Canva and PenUp. Initially, I found the limitations in Canva quite frustrating. However, while exploring the available features in the app, I learned how to work creatively within those boundaries without compromising my standards. The tools also allowed me to bring my ideas to life in a way that traditional methods wouldn't have. Compared to before, I now appreciate Canva's user-friendly interface and its extensive resources, even in the free version. So what I learned through these activities are how to design and plan visual layouts of posters and logos that can convey information effectively. I also managed to adapt to using different digital tools. And lastly, as I learned that collaboration and feedback integration is indeed very important, as I designed this material based on group preferences, thus enhancing my skills in teamwork and flexibility. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll stop recording, eh?